In this video, I'll go over how to withdraw money from Beehiiv. So first, if you are using paid subscriptions, then what you will need to do is in monetize and paid subscriptions, what you had to do is connect your Stripe account. So you can see for me it still says launch, but if you have already done this, it means that you have already configured your Stripe account and connected your Stripe account, which means payments will be going directly into your Stripe account. Now, it could also be that you have money in your wallet right here. In order to withdraw this, all you need to do is click withdraw earnings right there, and then you have a few options. So you can withdraw to your bank or Stripe, and you need to have at least $50 of withdrawable earnings. So just click on withdraw funds, and then go and choose your Stripe account or your bank, and then confirm any required identity verification and submit it, and the funds should then be transferred to Stripe or your bank account. So that's how you can withdraw money from Beehiiv. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.